Alright, Tmber UMX, Maiden flight. Oh yeah, yeah.
Look at that 6 inches and you're in the air.
Oh, can't see it.
Just hold it right there.
Yeah, look at that. It was almost doing a knife edge due to the wind. We'll walk down here to this end. We got about probably 6-mile-an-hour winds right now.
It would pick up. But it's after 9, so what do you expect?
Yeah.
Warm day, yeah, it's picking up real good.
that thing is flying sideways, Jim. I bet you on a calm day this would be a hoot. It's almost flying a knife edge on its own. We'll come into the wind here and see if she'll loop-de-loop-de.
I don't have a problem seeing it.
No, yeah, it actually shows up better than that other small one over there. Man, that sun will kill you.
Yeah. I need to grab my sunglasses today.
Alright, let's see if we can kite fly. Bring it in a little closer to us.
Went backwards about 6 inches.
Yeah, flying backwards on a windy day.
There's a eventual V25 out there I've been thinking about getting for a long time.
Oh, and the UMX size?
What?
The UMX size V25? Yeah. This is a bargain right here. I mean, 130 bucks. And it has flaps, lights, big Tundra tires, tons of power. This is probably about the limit on the wind, though, that I'd want to go. Come up here and see if I can see that windsock over there in the shot. Yeah, the windsock over there on the other side of the field, when that's blowing out sideways, it's 10 miles an hour, and it's sideways basically, at least in gusts. So I'd say it's probably 7 or so miles an hour steady and gusting to 10 or 12. And I'd say that's probably about the limit. I'm impressed though, Jim.
I am too, I really am.
And the perfect size. I mean, this you just throw in your car and walk across the street to the church parking lot.
Yeah. I've got a park about 3 blocks from the house. It'd be perfect over there.
Yeah, you could actually fly this on your street in front of your house.
No, I got too many trees, guy.
Well, I do too, but I mean, I just fly it over the street. And see, I mean, it turns super sharp. You just, if you just wanted a quick fix for flying, you just get out there after it, you know. I set the timer for I think I set it for 5 minutes actually.
What size battery?
It's got actually a really tiny 280 size.
Oh, really?
It is a 2-cell.
Yeah.
But it's only a 280 milliamp. I have seen some YouTube channels where they're flying it on 550s.
Yeah. You're good. You're good. Whoa, you're in all the junk over here. Okay, there you go.
I'm going around.
Huh?
I said I'm just going around.
Yeah. They just put it down there.
But yeah, it's a 550s. I think I've seen somebody flying.
Yeah.
So it's a. I've got some 800s, and they won't fit in it. I think it would handle the weight, but they won't fit in the into the compartment. I like it, man. I think that's a good, perfect little investment. Man, it's cold out here, Jim.
Yeah.
My fingers are like numb.
We don't fly Wednesday. Let's get breakfast somewhere.